Pop Albert. Would you like to try it?
Forget it, Holly. I don't play with girls.
Well, what about Laura?
Well, that's different. She's my sister.
Come on, Jeff. We got him. Get another hit.
Hey, what'd you ring the bell for?
Just because the Garveys went back east for a month is no reason for us to run around like loose chickens.
The new teacher isn't even here yet, Mother Hen.
All the more reason for us to be ready for her when she is. Come on, everybody inside.
We don't have to.
Well, you can do anything you want to, but I'm not starting out on the wrong foot with a new teacher.
He's right, Willie. I don't see what difference it makes which foot I start out on. I end up in the corner standing on both feet.
Albert, you want to go fishing after school? Sure. You want to come along? I can't. I've got chores to finish, and so do you.
Yes, teacher.
How about Saturday? I'll make sandwiches.
Can't go Saturday.
Okay. How about Sunday after church?
Okay, if you make peanut butter.
Sunday it is. How's that sound, Albert? Albert?
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
My name is Miss Elliott. I'll be teaching here until Mrs. Garvey returns. Now you know my name. How about yours? Can someone tell me where the roll book is kept?
I can.
It's in the drawer, ma'am.
Thank you, Miss.
Nellie Olson. My father owns the Mercantile.
Carolyn, your diagnosis was correct.
Are you sure?
Why is that always the first question? Mary, tell your mother.
I'm gonna have a baby, Ma.
Oh, Mary. Oh. When?
Well, I'd say in about 6 months.
Oh, Adam will be so surprised. I was afraid it wouldn't be true. He has no idea.
And your father? Oh, I have to pick exactly the right moment. Don't you tell him.
Not a word.
Charles! Charles!
What's the matter?
You're gonna be a grandpa.
What?
Yes!
It's kind of late for supper, isn't it? Children all ate an hour ago.
I think a husband and wife should eat alone once in a while. Gives people a chance to talk.
Flowers, too. That's nice. You want any slice of meat?
It's a casserole.
Chicken, I hope.
Adam, sometimes there are more important things to discuss.
Mr. Kendall,
Yeah, Eli.
you got the toolbox around here?
It's on the kitchen table.
Thanks.
Well, what's the problem?
Mrs. Turhan locked herself in the water closet.
Oh, boy. Well, you sure you don't need any help?
No, sir. I can do it. Wouldn't matter, except I gotta go.
Well, okay.
Adam, why don't you sit down? I have something I want to tell you.
Something's burning. Aha, it is chicken.
Put it on the table. I'll bring the potatoes.
Okay. Now I am definitely sitting.
First, I have something to say.
It sounds important.
It is. I went to see...
Mr. Kendall, I must have done something wrong. The doorknob came off. Think you better come. Mrs. Terham, she's hopping mad.
Well, she does have a way with words, and I
Adam.
don't expect you should be hearing them at your age.
But Adam...
I'll be right back, darling.
I'm gonna have a baby.
Okay, don't start without me. What?
I'm gonna have a baby.
A baby. A baby?
Mary, look at this. Feel here. I can't believe you once wore these.
Isn't it a bit early for baby clothes?
Now, don't spoil my fun. Maybe your baby, but the whole family shares in the excitement.
Not always. I doubt if Adam will tell his father.
Sometimes I forget he has one.
Kendall, Chandler, and Holmes, attorneys at law. It's more than he knows about me. I wish Adam would have written him when we got married.
Well, I suppose families have their different ways.
It's the only thing he won't talk about. Mr. Kendall's all alone. It just doesn't seem right.
Do you think you should write to him?
Me?
Well, he is your father-in-law. You'd probably make him very happy.
I'm sure it would. All right, I'll do it.
Why didn't you tell me you were going to write?
Because you would have told me not to.
Exactly.
But he's your father. It wouldn't have been fair not to tell him.
Fair? Mary, you just don't know what he's like.
That's not my fault. You never wanted to talk about it. I mean, what did he do to you?
Nothing. Not one thing. To me or for me ever since the accident. It was like I didn't exist anymore.
Maybe he needed some of the patience you show to your students. I mean, where would I be now without it?
The problem is you think every father in the world is just like yours. Mine isn't.
I thought we'd start a special project in basket weaving for anyone who's interested.
That's for girls.
Which is why the boys will all be playing baseball.
Yeah!
Yes, Laura?
Do the girls have to stay?
No, you may all choose whichever project you wish.
Oh, good. Come on, Albert. Let's go. I don't want to go. Are you sick or something?
No. You heard her. I'm gonna make a basket.